It's summer, but it looks like it's fall, as I need to clean off this deck here, that's for sure. But I noticed some pieces of bark off the tree, as you can see here, that I want to use for a DIY hack for home decor. So we're gonna take this nice big piece right here. But first, to clean up the deck from the storm. So I have this piece of bark in my work sink down in my basement, and I am using some Dawn dish detergent and an old brush to scrub this nice and clean because I'm going to paint it. Rinsing it off. Cleaning the other side now. It looks much better. We're gonna take and let it dry in the sun. My first layer of paint is going to be a charcoal type gray. So I'm putting a coat on here. Letting that coat dry. My next coat of paint is going to be a black. And I'm just going to spray it just over the gray where some of the gray is showing, but mostly the black. I spray painted both sides, and now it is ready for me to put a little stand on the back. So I'm going to use this little piece of scrap wood that I painted gray. Laying down the wood glue. Now to place the stand on the back of the bark, I'm not going to put it completely to the bottom because I want it to kind of lean back just slightly. And I'm going to use some clamps to hold it in place until it dries. So you could use this to hold your sticky notes on your desk with a painted clothespin as seen here. I have decided to use it as an accent piece in my black and white New Orleans themed decor that I have on the hall area outside of my daughter's room. You could use it as a cool rustic accent piece with any of your other home decor, such as I have here on my fireplace. Another Poppin PJ creation. If you enjoyed this video, pop that subscribe button, like, and share. And as always, thank you.